Hi guys, it's Synolve. I am decluttering today, and I thought I'd do my nails with you guys and hang out for a little girl chat. I have my nail care box, right, from my self-care box, and it's filled. You've probably already seen this if you watched the video. If not, please go check it out. Got all my nail care stuff in there. So I've already taken off the old nail polish and done all of the filing and all that good stuff, cuticles and all that good stuff. So now it's getting down to business. I'm going to use this OPI. I think this time the pink. I think I've been using the orange, so I want to try this one. Also grab this at Burke's Outlet, and so yes. Before we tackle that, I grabbed a bag because I want to declutter. I've got quite a few nail polishes in here, but not all of them are great. So what I'm going to do is just declutter. Decluttering is so important because a lot of times we hold on to things and they tend to, if we keep walking past things we know we want to tackle. Oh, I need to tackle that. I need to tackle that. Oh, I need to fix this. Or, you know, a lot of things that are broken or that are, that we just haven't gotten a chance to tackle yet, then it begins to clutter up our mind, not only our house, and we begin to get into a pattern of procrastination. So how do we break procrastination? How do we break getting out of being stuck or feeling stuck? Is to begin to tackle those things that we have been putting off and putting off and putting off. And I've been putting this off for some time. One trick that we can do to get unstuck and begin to tackle some of the things we need to tackle is to count backwards from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And it just kind of gets the mind going. It just kind of lifts the mind and gets you out of your norm. Another thing to do is just laugh, right? I know this sounds crazy, but look at the things that you have been walking past and just sit there and laugh at it and be like, okay, so I haven't tackled you yet. I haven't gotten around to you yet. And just be like, but I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get to you today. And you've been sitting over there lonely, and kind of laugh, kind of make a joke out of it, kind of make a funny out of it, and laugh, because sometimes we don't tackle things because they seem so huge or so big in our lives. Sometimes it just seems like, oh, wow, it's overwhelming. It's too much. Like you want to get your house clean, you want to get your house in order, but you can't tackle it because it's like, oh wow, it's just too much. But if you laugh at it, if you kind of make a funny out of it and smile about it and, not let the brain turn it into some insurmountable obstacle, a big mountain that's bigger than it really should be. You kind of laugh about it. Oh man, I've been sitting over there. I know you got cobwebs in your bucket from sitting over there so long, but I'm going to get you today. I'm going to get you today. And so then the next thing to do, after you do that 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, make a little laugh about it, then tackle it. It's okay. It's okay. And so whatever you have that you need to tackle, go grab it, because we're going to be decluttering and tackling some good stuff today. All right, so let's see. Got some stuff in here that just really is old and can come out. This bin is so old. Let me get rid of that. Let's see. I don't even know. This is not even a color anymore. Yeah, that's gonna go. Ooh, Lord. I feel like so cute. Colors.
It smells so bad. Let's see. No, it's bad. Okay, keep going. Let's see.
Well, I am done. So this is all I'm getting rid of. Okay. It's garbage day today, so it's a good day to do some decluttering. And this is all I'm keeping out of all of that, plus this one. So look, I did good. And I can always make another date and declutter more at a later time. So if you are not decluttering and you got a big project that you want to declutter and you just haven't tackled it, today is a great day. Well, I'm going to get on to painting my nails and getting that done because now that I've decluttered, my mind is clear and it's free and I feel so much better. So I'm going to go ahead and finish my self-care day and my little self-care moment. I feel better now that I've decluttered some things and I just feel happy and amazing inside. So I hope that you guys are tackling some of your projects and you too are decluttering.